Today we shall be discussing the Wars of the Roses, which was a series of English civil wars fought from 1455 to 1487 between the rival houses of Lancaster and York, both descendants of Edward III, who competed for control of the English throne. Named after the symbols of the two houses, the red rose for Lancaster and the white rose for York. The wars were marked by fierce battles, shifting alliances, and significant political intrigue. The conflict began in 1455 with the First Battle of St. Albans, a Yorkist city, that set off a prolonged struggle. The Lancastrian faction was led by King Henry VI and Queen Margaret of Anjou, while the Yorkists were led initially by Richard, Duke of York, and later by his son Edward. The wars were characterized by multiple battles and fluctuating power, including key conflicts such as the Battle of Towton in 1461, the bloodiest battle of the wars which secured Edward VI's reign for the Yorkists. Notably, the wars witnessed dramatic reversals, including the temporary restoration of Henry VI in 1470, and the resumption of hostilities that culminated in the decisive Battle of Bosworth Field in 1485. There, Henry Tudor, representing the Lancastrian cause, defeated King Richard III, the last Yorkist king, ending the Plantagenet dynasty. Henry Tudor then became King Henry VIII, marrying Elizabeth of York and thus uniting the two houses, bringing a close to the wars and marking the beginning of the Tudor dynasty. The Wars of the Roses significantly influenced England's monarchy and nobility, consolidating royal authority, leading to the Tudor era and establishing the framework for the modern English state. The conflict was not a continuous battle, but a series of episodic battles and power struggles that reshaped England politically and socially over 3 decades.